Why gas pressure washer? A gas pressure washer is considerably powerful than an electric pressure washer, and it's very good for cleaning. Here is the best gas pressure washer we found after checking about 31 gas pressure washers. Number 1. Our number 1 gas pressure washer is Simpson MegaShot 3100 PSI 2.5 GPM Honda GCV190 powered gas power cleaner. The best gas power washer for most people happens to be the most affordable gas powered on this list. At a manufacturer's suggested retail price of $399, you're getting a heavy-duty residential workhorse. It's number 1 on this list because it's the best value for the money. The main perk is its engine. It has what Honda calls a residential use engine, engineered purposefully to provide reliable power to residential pressure cleaners. Click the link below to check our full review. Number 2 Generac 1 Wash 2000 to 3100 PSI 2.4 GPM 196 cc gas power washer. The second best gas power washer for most people allows you to adjust the pressure to 4 settings between 2000 and 3100 PSI at the turn of a knob. This allows you to go from cleaning your car to washing your driveway instantly without having to change the nozzle. The reason it ranks number 2 and not number 1 is because of the Honda engine on the number 1. Generac has put together a great value machine with a great engine and pump, but we believe the Honda to be more durable and reliable. This machine can be bought at an affordable price similar to the Simpson cleaner above. If you love the idea of having the adjustable pressure feature, then this is yours. Click the link below to check our full review. Number 3 Simpson PowerShot 3200 PSI 2.8 GPM Honda GX200 powered gas pressure washer. The third listed power washer is the definition of reliable and durable. It has a commercial grade Honda engine and AAA industrial quality triplex plunger pump to ensure your washer runs for many years to come with minimal fuss. It has a worksite tire and a heavy duty steel carriage. It needs to because this pressure washer is a beast and weighs 81 pounds minus 30% more than the number 1 pick. Click the link below to check our full review. Check the links below to buy on Amazon.